Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Wildthor.com reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from the site or not. The citizens of United States are looking forward for the information related to the legitimacy of this particular site. And in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then you must watch this video because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular website, guys, and it is an online shopping store that is claiming to deal with various products including primer uh, items or eye makeup items, lipsticks, nail products, hair tools, and various other accessories, etc. And the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now, guys, before making a decision or any online purchase, it's really very important to define its legitimacy. So, talking about the payment information first, let's check out the payment info. So, at the bottom of the web page, you can take a look that the modes of payment which are available on the site are PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Mastro, and American Express. Now let's talk about the shipping information. So you need to click the shipping information policy page of this particular site. So here is the shipping policy page, guys, but this time I'm not able to click this page or particular shipping policy due to some error. But yes, when you will check out the shipping policy on your desktop, then you will find that the order processing time is 3 to 5 days and the delivery time will be 2 to 3 weeks, or the express shipping will take around 7 to 15 days. And apart from that, at the bottom of the at the top of the web page, you can see they have mentioned that enjoy free shipping on orders over $39. So this was the shipping info, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, talking about the HTTPS protocol connection, this site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But when it comes to the domain information of this particular site, it was created on 22nd of January 2021. It means that this particular site is 75 days old, and according to our study, we have found that this domain is registered for 1 year only. So this is the factor that can define its legitimacy. But guys, we can't claim this site legit on the basis of its domain age only. So coming to the other information including company's detail, let's check out the about us page. So again, guys, I think this site is not mobile friendly as well, but you when you will check the about us page of this particular site on the internet or on your desktop, guys, then you will see that they have not provided the entire information including business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a negative sign. Now let's take a look at the contact details of this particular site, guys, and if you will check the contact details, you need to click on the contact us page of this particular site, and this is the contact us information. So here they have provided the official address and email address, but they have not provided the contact number, which is a negative sign. And guys, the email which is present or available on the site or web page is matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign, but the absence of entire contact details makes the site quite suspicious. Apart from that, coming to the social media presence of the site, you can take a look at the various social media icons. So Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube icons are available. But guys, we would like to inform you that the site has no social media presence on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube, and we have found the Facebook page of this particular site according to our research. So but not much information is available on the social media platform including Facebook, which is a negative sign. So we're not able to find much information about this, and this is again a negative sign, and this shows that the site comes with unknown trustworthiness score. Now guys, talking about the return policy of the site, let's check out the return policy. So for that you need to click on refund or return, so you will get the entire information, and they have mentioned 14 days of return policy. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. Coming to Wilthor.com reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet guys, but yes, we have found various evaluations and customers are complaining about this site. Apart from that, no reviews are available on Trustpilot, which is one of the biggest reviews platform, and it means that no more reviews are available on popular sites, which is again a negative sign. Apart from that, we are not able to find customer reviews on the site as well. So this is again a negative sign. And apart from that guys, talking about the trust index score of this website, the site comes with low trust index score. You can say it is 1%, which is really very bad, and this makes the site not much popular online. Apart from that guys, there are so many loopholes as I have explained to you, and bulk buy option is on the site guys, which is again a negative sign. So there are so many drawbacks that can make this site suspicious. So we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as it contains various loopholes, and I request you all to share your experience with this site so that other customers can get to know about the originality of this website. And for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.